Hi everyone, my name is Ernest. In this video I'm going to take you through staking Solana using the Kiln dashboard and Fireblocks as a custodian. So here's the Kiln staking page on the dashboard. You can see the different assets we currently support. I'm going to go over to the Solana page where on the left you can see some stats about the network and some frequently asked questions about how staking works on Solana and the Kiln service. And on the right, you can choose a stake account you want to stake towards. So this is your own account inside the Kiln dashboard that can be shared with colleagues that are in your organization. So I'm going to choose this micro treasury account that I created. Choose how much you want to stake. So on Solana you can start from 0.1, so that's what I'm going to do for this demo. And then I'm going to choose to connect a wallet. And because we're using Fireblocks here, I'm going to choose Wallet Connect. And then this QR code I need to scan from inside the Fireblocks app. When I scan it, I get asked which, if you have several Fireblocks apps, they call them, you need to choose which one. It's basically your workspace, like which one you want to connect. So I've chosen one here, and then you choose which vault you want to link. So I'm going to choose a given vault here, and there are some preferences to pick around the fees you want to use by default. Once you've sort of gone through all that, you see that here I'm successfully connected on the Kiln dashboard. That means that I can now click on stake. What that's going to do is, see the vault that I connected has one sol. It's going to start propose a delegation transaction for me to stake 0.1 of that one sol onto one of Kiln's Solana validators. So I received this transaction proposed in Fireblocks. I can review it and effectively review its details. For example, I can open the transaction details and see that it is indeed a staking delegation transaction. And I can also review the validator address that I'm delegating to. I'm asked to enter my Fireblocks PIN code and then to Face ID and approve. Based on the transaction authorization policies you may need to you may have additional approvals that are needed based on your own workspace. But as you can see here, the transaction went through, and I can actually confirm that on the Solana Explorer here, where I can see that that this is a new stake being initialized. The last thing I can do is go to the rewards page where I can see my stake and the status that it's in, and over time, as rewards accrue, this page updates in real time, and so does the API under the hood that you can also query if you want to do your own reporting. So that's it for this demo. Thanks a lot for watching.